Try. Oh no. What do we need to do?
Oh, just fix it.
Can we make it higher? What happens if we just use one? Nothing?
Make it higher.
We need to make it higher. What happens when we make it higher? It makes the ball go faster. What's
My
with your ball?
Right
Was
here.
it hiding? Let's see. It did it. High five. That was
Can I get
awesome.
it?
Yeah, I'll get it. I think Uriah took our other ball.
No more monkeys drinking on the bed.
Let's see if it works. Do you think the big ball will work? What happened?
No, it can't fit.
Why can't it fit into the hole?
Because it can't go in. Because look it.
Because it's too big.
Yeah.
It's too
got
big. Let's see. What happens if we use a bigger one? Look, can you get the ring right there?
Oopsie.
I wonder if we put that at the end, if the big one will fit. What do you think? Let's find out. Get the big ball.
The big ball.
Let's see if it'll fit. It fit. We needed a bigger hole so the big ball would fit. Go ahead. See what happens. And it has to stop there because it's too big. All right, Alec, go ahead. Try with the small one. See if the small one will go through the big hole. It did. It did.